Euro NCAP publishes its fifth round of safety ratings. The highly anticipated Tesla Model Y did not disappoint, and shoots to the top of recently published 5-star cars. The Model Y, built in Tesla's Berlin Gigafactory, scores an impressive 97% in Adult Occupant Protection, and near-perfect 98% in Safety Assist, with full points for its lane support, and new cabin camera-based driver monitoring system. In Euro NCAP track tests, the Model Y camera-only vision system performs remarkably well in preventing collisions with other cars, cyclists, and pedestrians.